Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Today I'm going to show you guys how I get these eyebrows together. Okay, here's a little before and after. It's super easy, super quick. I'm not fancy at all. I just need the extra hairs removed from my face. Okay guys, so first you're going to need a spoolie. Then you're gonna need some scissors, some cotton rounds, and then I'm just using some Thayer's witch hazel, which I put in a bottle right here. And of course you're gonna need a razor. I recommend those razors that are like $1 and you get from the beauty supply, but this is just what I have on hand. Okay, so first you're gonna go ahead and start to brush your eyebrow hairs down. This is just what I do. I brush them down. Then I go ahead and spray a little bit of the witch hazel on my face just to get my skin wet, and I begin to shave off the extra hairs on the top. Now I'm being very careful, okay, because it's kind of hard to see when you're using a razor like this. So best advice is to get one of those other razors, which I'll put a picture right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about, just in case you didn't know. But I'm just taking off the extra hair on the tail end and on the front end, all on the top of my eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hairs upwards, and then you're gonna see me using the razor to take off the stray hairs along the bottom of my brow. Now, I'm gonna say this, my eyebrows, the shape, I don't know what's going on, y'all. I don't know what's going on. I just do my best to keep the stray hairs off because I don't know what type of shape I have. It's a mystery to me, okay? But basically I'm just adding whatever shape I see goes with the natural arch in my eyebrow and just taking off the stray hairs on the bottom. That's it. Okay, one thing I do want to mention is that you'll see me just pulling my skin taut just so I'm able to access that area easily, and it gives you a closer shave when you do that. Okay, so just make sure you do that when you're shaving your eyebrow hairs. All right, okay, so moving on, I'm going to begin to use my spoolie to brush my eyebrow hair down because I'm going to trim them. All right, so I'm just trimming them in the way in which my eyebrow is shaped. So I'm just, any extra hair that falls below that shape, I'm cutting it off. All right, so just brush and trim below the shape of your eyebrow so that your hairs still look full if you happen to brush your eyebrows down. And then for whatever reason, I decided to just use some water to wipe my eyebrows off. You can use witch hazel or water, it doesn't matter. But I'm just wiping off the excess hair so that I can see more clear before I move on to the next step, which is brushing the eyebrow hairs up, and then trimming off the excess hair from that. Now, after I do that, that's pretty much the end of how I do my eyebrows. I just constantly go back and, you know, perfect it. So look at certain spots, like see if I need a little bit more of a trim hair, or can I take my razor off? Did I miss some hairs? I mean, not take my razor off, or can I take my razor to my eyebrow again and shave off some extra hair? Like, did I miss anything? So that's just what you'll see me doing here. And that is it, guys. That is really how I do my eyebrows. But yes, guys, that's it. Here is the final outcome. Yeah, if you're simple like me and you like to do your own eyebrows, I hope you can follow this easy, simple way of doing your eyebrows yourself when you're at home, or maybe you didn't get to make it to your eyebrow person and you need to spruce up your eyebrows really quick. So I hope this helped, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions for me, as always, go ahead and leave those questions down in the comment section, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.